Hello dear students, I am Amandeep Kaur. I hope you all are well and attending all the video lectures carefully. We were on chapter 2, the 4 fundamental operations. In this video lecture, I will discuss about word problems on 4 mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So dear children, before solving word problems, you must understand some skills. So first is starts from R. So read and understand the problem carefully. So first of all, you must read the question and try to understand it carefully. So second step need to be followed. Find the facts given in the question. So word is facts. Find the facts. So third is make a mental picture of the question. You need to draw a mental picture in your mind. So next step is, fourth step is solve the question step by step. You cannot be in hurry. You need to solve the question step by step. So last but not the least, at last you have to check your answer so that you will find that question which you have solved would be correct. So without delaying, let's start with the word problem of exercise 2.6. So question number 4. First see question number 4. What is the addition of the greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number? So first step, read it. Then you need to understand, see it. Greatest 6-digit number. First of all, you need to write greatest 6-digit number. Then you need to write smallest 8-digit number. And then they have asked what is the addition of. Addition means you need to find the sum of these two numbers. You need to add these two numbers. So first of all, write greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number, that is 9,99,999. So 6 times 9 is written here. Now the second is smallest 8-digit number. So 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. With 1, 7 times you will write 0. Now they have asked what is the addition of these two numbers. So add these two numbers. In the third step you need to add. So now you can see 1 crore is greater than 9,99,999. So change its order. First write bigger number, 8-digit number, then write 6-digit number. So write these two numbers, arrange these two numbers in the columns and you need to add. After addition, you will see you will get 1 crore 9,99,999. So which is the addition of the required 6-digit number, greatest 6-digit number and smallest 8-digit number. Now the next question is question number 3 on your book, exercise 2.6. Question is, the mason used 1,75,692 bricks for the construction of Mr. Sharma's house and 2,16,785 bricks for the construction of Mr. Verma's house. So two mason is constructing two persons' house and using bricks. For whose house the mason used more bricks. So you need to find on whose house mason used more bricks. So you can see here 2 lakh something is greater than 1 lakh something. So you can see on Mr. Verma's house more bricks used than Mr. Sharma's house. And the next line is, and how many more bricks were used. So underline the word more. You need to find how many more. It means you need to find difference. You need to subtract smaller number from bigger number here. So let's see. So first of all, write the given two numbers. So first is number of bricks used for the construction of Mr. Sharma's house, that is 1,75,692. And the next they have given number of bricks used for the construction of Mr. Verma's house, that is 2,16,785. So 2,16,785 is greater than 1,75,692. So more bricks were used for the construction of Mr. Verma's house. So it means you need to find difference. So first write bigger number and then write smaller number out of these two numbers. So arrange these numbers in the columns. First write 2,16,785 and the next number is 1,75,692 and put here symbol of subtraction, minus symbol. So now you need to subtract. So you can see here 5 is greater than 2 on one's place. 5 is greater than 2 on one's place. So subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. So write 3. Next is 8 is on tens place is smaller than 9. So you need to borrow it from the next number. So next is 7. So instead of 7, 1 borrowed, here will be 6. And there become in place of 8, 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So here is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So now next is on thousands place. 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So write here 1. So now on 10,000s place, here is 1. So 1 is smaller than 7. Need to borrow it from the next number. So there will become 1 instead of 2. From 2, 1 taken, left 1. And here on 10,000th place, it will be 11. So 11 minus 7 is 4. So here 11 minus 7 is 4. Now on lakhs place, here become 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So you can see here 41,093 bricks extra or more used for the construction of Mr. Verma's house than Mr. Sharma's house. So that is the required answer. Now see question 6. Question number 6. If a dictionary contains 3,215 pages and there are 215 words arranged on each page. Each page means on one page. On one page there are 215 words and number of pages are 3,215. So what you need to find? How many words are there in the whole dictionary? So first step is you need to write what is 215. Then you need to write what is 3,215. Then you need to read the question again. What you have to find? So here 215 words are there. Here write first what is 215. Then write what is 3,215 and what to find. You need to check what to find. So here see the last line. How many words are there in the whole dictionary? So here you need to make one to many. You need to change one to many. So when changing then one to many, you need to multiply. So first of all write. So write now number of words arranged on one page of the dictionary, that is 215. Then number of pages in the whole dictionary, that is 3,215. So you need to find number of words in the whole dictionary. First pages were given in the whole dictionary. Now you need to find words in the whole dictionary. It means making one to many. Page One page of the dictionary contains 215 words. So how many 3215 pages will contain? So multiply, making here concept of using one to many. So 215 multiply by 3215. So bigger number write first, then smaller. So arrange these numbers in the columns. So 3215 write first, then write 215 and multiply. First multiply one digit number with the all. So here 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 need to carry to the next number. 5 ones the 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. On the tens place there will be 7. Next is 5 2s the 10, 0 here, 1 need to carry on the next number. Next is 5 3s the 15, plus 1 is 16. So write here 16. Now multiply on the tens place. On tens place there is 1. So on ones place there will be either cross or 0. Now because multiplication of from the digit tens place. So first cross, then 1 5's the 5, 1 1's the 1, 1 2's the 2, 1 3's the 3. Any number multiplied by the same number, answer comes the same number. This property used. Now digit on hundreds place is 2. So 2 zeros or 2 cross need to put here. Then start on the hundreds place. 2 5s are 10. 0 here. 1 need to carry. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So write here 3. Next is 2 2s the 4. So write here 4. Next is 2 3 the 6. So write 6. So now you need to add these numbers. So here is 5 only. Here 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 here. 1 carry over. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. Now 6 plus 2 plus 3 is 11. 1 here. 1 carry over. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 carry over is 9. So write 9 here. Next is 6 alone. So write 6. So answer is 6,91,225 words are there in the whole dictionary. So which is the required answer. So now next question is question number 8 from exercise 2.6. A contractor sent 76,95,940 bricks for the construction of 70 chambers. If an equal number of bricks are required for each chamber, how many bricks were used for each chamber? So need to underline the word how many bricks were used for each chamber. Each means here for one you need to find. For many it is given. For one you need to find. Now concept is changing many to one. So it means you need to use operate here division. Division operation you need to apply here. So first of all write what is 70, then write what is 76 lakh 95,940. So write number of chambers are 70 and number of bricks sent by contractor for the construction of 70 chambers is 76 lakh 95,940. So next you need to find. What you have to find? That line you need to write. Number of bricks used for one chamber, for each chamber. One or each. So here many to one. So here divide. Divide 76 lakh 95,940 by 70. So first divide. First arrange these numbers. Then see on the right hand side as a rough work you can write down table of 70. So here on the right hand side you can write down. So now see here 70 is the 2-digit number. So here 70 ones are 70, 72 is 140 and 140 is greater than 76. So you will go with 1. 71 ones are 70. Now subtract 76 and 70. You will get 6. 0, 6 is 6. So now need to write 9 down. 69 become. So now you can see 70 ones are 70 and 70 is greater than 69. So you will go with 0. 70 zeros the 0. So here written 0. 0, 0. So now 69 minus 0 is 69. So next write, next bring down next digit from the thousands place. So 5 is on thousands place, bring it down. So 695. So you can see here 70 nines are 630 and 70 tens are 700. 700 would be greater than this. So you will go with 9. So 630 written. Now subtract these two numbers. You will get 65 after subtraction. Now on 100 place there is 9. Bring 9 down. So it becomes 659. So you can see 70 nines are 630 and 70 tens are 700. 700 would be greater. We cannot write greater number. So less than is 9. So write there on 9. So it's 630. So subtract it. You will get 29 after subtraction. Now bring 4 from tens place down. 294. Now you can see 75s are 350. 350 is greater than this. So you will go one number before. 74s are 280. So here written 280. Then after subtraction you will get 14 and bring next 0 on the ones place down. So it's 140. So 72 is the 140. So same number subtracted from the same number, you will get 0. So here written 2, then after subtraction 0. So now see here. So what is the required answer? So 1,09,942 bricks were used for each chamber, which is the required answer. So now these other questions you will solve on your notebook. Now let's take a quick recap of the chapter 4 fundamental operation. In this chapter you have covered first addition. So what is addition? Taking two odd numbers and adding them together at addition. Addends, each number to be added in the addition sum is called addend, which is the required answer after addition is called sum. And here you have done properties of addition, zero property, order property and grouping property. And the second topic was subtraction. So what is subtraction? Taking something away from a group or a number of things is the subtraction. Miniend, you have used the part you start subtraction. Subtrahend, the part being taken away, and the difference, the part left over. Third, you have done multiplication. What is multiplication? The process of finding the number or quantity or product. And the properties of multiplication, the product does not change if order change. Next property, the property of a number and 1 is the number itself. The last property, the product of a number and 0 is 0. Fourth concept which you have covered is the division, a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. And here you have used the formula to check the division. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. These were all four concepts which you have used and applied in the word problems in the chapter 4 fundamental operations. Thanks. Have a good